Gotta put it on service mode. It's an electrical parking brake. You got a P button. Every make and model of car is different, so look up the service mode for your specific vehicle if you're trying to do it for your car. And the way Ford wants you to do it is you hold down all the way on the accelerator to the ground, push this button down, turn it to the run position. Let it stay there for a little bit, let everything pop up, and then turn it off and turn it right back to the run position. And you'll hear it start to wind, and just keep holding it until it's done winding, and it says park brake maintenance mode right there. So it's still winding. I'm gonna keep holding it until it's all the way done. It takes a few seconds, it sounds like, at least 10. Just keep holding it until you're done hearing the sound. I still hear it. Alright, now all good. Park brake maintenance mode on, that's what you want to see. Perfect. And now you can shut it off. Take the key out. Now, you find a good jack point. Lift up the vehicle and use jack stands to hold it up for you. So you can work on both sides at a time. So you gotta get on the ground. Look up under here. Look for some metal, which is right here. You got some metal. We're gonna leave some space to put the jack down too, so we're gonna push the jack over here. Line up your jack stand. Slowly lower it down. Perfect. Now, go to the other side and break the lug nuts loose. Put that somewhere out the way. Get the tire off. Put pop that brake cap. Leave it right here. Need is a 20 mil for the lug nuts to get off on the tires. We already got the tires off. You're gonna need a hammer, a hex 5, a little flathead or a pry bar, little flathead pry bar action, 15 mil socket, 7 mil hex head, clip remover, and an E12, and a electrical wire disconnect, and a flywheel to clean the hub of the rotor. So first things first, could go ahead and pull this clip off. Pull that clip off. Set it to the side. Center it up. I'm not gonna do it all the way, just loosen up a little bit. And that slide pin will slide out. Boom. Boom. Gotta fight with it just a little bit. Fight with it a little bit. And well, these pads right here are also basically metal to metal too. If you could see this, yep, metal to metal. Old and the new right there. See how they supposed to look like. Now, what we gonna do is go ahead and remove our electronic parking brake system. Things get tough over time. So sometimes just using this is a little better. Press it down. Give it a little wiggle and it comes out just like that. Boom. And now this is why we got the clip remover. Take this little thing out. It's a little Christmas tree clip. Boom. That's off. And now this is why you need this hex head 5 right here. You just zip these off real quick. And zip him off. Zip him off, zip him off. Get it on. And then you pull this off. Pull this whole housing off. This whole thing comes off. Boom. Get it off. And then now we're gonna switch attachments and put this on here. Now this is when you use the E12. Once you get it right here, this is really a T-bit, but my correction, make sure you tighten to go back down. Moving too fast. Boom, now that your piston is all the way down. And you put the little hex pieces back in, the 5 mils. Move this up out of the way for right now. And now you get a 15 mil for the bracket bolts. 15 mil for the bracket bolts. Yeah, yeah.
I don't even know where we...
Oh, that's all that Tybee Island.
What?
Alright. Once you got your bracket off, you can put that to the side too. Put that to the side. Let's see if this rotor comes off easier, and it does. Go ahead and clean up this hub too. The rest of the break not gonna happen. up the hub. Not too much. You just leave it right there on the floor. Appreciate it.
Oh, you got any more? Those are 40.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, get a metal glasses. Oh, now we're gonna clean our bracket too. Go ahead for that. Get that nice and wet. And hit that with the brush. Get all that rest off. Alright, put the bracket back on. Back with the 15 minute. Make sure that's nice and tight. Now we're gonna grease this up. The one without the hardware goes on the outside. One with the hardware goes on the inside. And boom, that's back together. Now we can connect our connector back. Make sure it's on there. And then let's put the bracket back. Make sure that it's snug. Make sure that's snug. Last but not least, you put this clip back in. You're gonna start from the bottom. This thing goes on the outside. So you start this out. That goes in. That goes there. And then you pull this back. While this is in here. And then if it's not all the way in, you use anything and try to tap it in. You just tap it in. It'll tap. There you go, boom. And that's how you do it right here. That's it. You do the same thing on this side, on the other side. And we're gonna clean it up a little bit more. Last little coat. You can leave it right there on the floor. Appreciate it. Good look. So same thing how you did putting it into maintenance mode, but in reverse. So foot on the gas all the way down to the ground. Hold the parking brake all the way up. Turn the key to the run position. Let it load up. Turn it back. Turn it right back to the run position.